everybody, welcome back to my channel, Rudy Tay. We're doing a pink blush cut crease for my cousin because she recommended this and I'm ready for it because I already know what colors I'm gonna do, sis. You ready? Is you ready? Because I'm ready. So I'm gonna go through the whole steps of doing my eyes, you know, with the concealer and everything, but y'all already know what to do. That's pretty simple. I already have an idea of what look I want to do today. So like I said, it's going to be a blush pink, but we're going to add a little bit of purple to it too so that we can define that cut crease too. So guess what we're going in with again? We're doing the James Charles palette again. And I'm going to try sticking with these 4 colors. So this kind of looks white on camera, but it's actually a light pink. This is a darker pink, and then we got like a purple and like a fuchsia looking color. So we're gonna build that color up like I did with my last video, and yeah. We'll start with the light pink for my transition color. Okay, got the light pink going so that we can start the transition. Now we're gonna go in with this pink. Well, before I go any further, this is the pink that I just used on my eyelid. I was being lazy, I didn't feel like picking it up. But now we're gonna go in with this pink. Also, I've been using my Morphe M330 brush. It's really fluffy, not too wild, but it's not too tapered. It's like the perfect blending brush. And now we're gonna go back in with, we're gonna go back in with this color in my crease. Okay, and just to define this crease even more, we're gonna go in with my Morphe M562 brush just to really get in that crease. And I'm starting to think I wanna go in with this purple instead because it's a little darker and it's gonna really make that, just that defined line. So I think I'm gonna do that today. Or you know what, I'll mix them both. So we done building up the color in the crease, which I am loving so much, and we're gonna cut out my crease again just so that we can have that defined look that I was talking about. Okay, so we're done cutting out the crease now, and this is like so freaking bomb. I must be on the roll or something, but guess what we're going back in with? This is the holy grail, fam. Like, it works. Got some good colors in this thing. And I decided that I'm gonna go back in with this really pretty light pink. And we're just going to put that as the base. Just to add a little bit of razzle dazzle to this look, I'm gonna go in with this. What? Okay, well, I'm going in with my Juvia's palette that y'all can barely see. And we're going in, oh, it doesn't give me the name of the color, but we're gonna go in with this little pretty pink right here and do it in like my tear duct. And then we'll just do my eyeliner now. Alright, this look, these past couple of looks have been taking some patience, y'all. God dang, like, this is a lot. Okay, we're about to go in with their Real Mascara by Benefit. As y'all can tell, I really do like Benefit. It's a really good brand. Lately, I haven't been putting on a lot of mascara either. Only because the thicker the lashes get and the more dramatic they get, the more I'm kind of just like,
oh, wow.
I don't really need mascara. Okay, and then we're gonna put put some black liner at the bottom because I just feel like doing that just adds oomph to the look. And not even that much, but as you can tell, like there's a difference from this side and this side. So apparently it's 1:50. I have to be at work for 2:30. I'm sorry you guys, I gotta do the lashes and my face off camera and then I'll be right back, okay? Okay guys, and this is the finished look. Made it just in time. It's like 2:05, 2:10, so I kind of really just rushed through all of this. Thanks you guys for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please make sure to subscribe and follow my Instagram and Twitter, Rudy Tate with an _. They're both the same thing. Make sure to follow my Snapchat, Didi Check. Oh, and leave any color recommendations if you think of any that you want to see. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.